ibine bintu bya serikali usinye bintu
siri bwegisemi sekiri majuwa nyarire gakorari bene buna emeroberi yonsi nigo yabekiru bene yojikwena kuna matemo ayungo korware bya sense ya Kenya kaokwana se university ya Dedan Kimati nigo bono mowasiri machuwa nyarire kawate abuna emeroberi yabekirwe nonye no bolendi nigo bwatingiwe sebona rurege kurege tindi ojase onde bwensi oroberetivna na chikuturubania matemo ayo asate dabna abasaye batatu mbabe kubyara abo bare koni amatemo yo bolimo ochi asabamenyi ose asaba Kenya nigatebiru na matemo ayo nachikorendwa airere abana bakora matemo ya senjira yobwikirano.
I want to assure Kenyans that as a Minister of Education and the Kenya National Examination Council, we have come up with all the necessary arrangements for the 3 exams that we are undertaking this year, which are starting with the effect of 21st of November this year. The security arrangements and manning of exams, we have all those arrangements in place, and there is something you might have seen about 2 weeks ago where 3 guys, one of them being a university student, were actually caught red-handed sharing bogus examination papers. I want to assure Kenyans that all the papers that our students and the pupils are going to do in this year's exam are intact. Nothing has ever been interfered with.
Asajinga keje mowasiri wegisemi sekiri macho ni onanda tebirumna university osejikora nyina bugira abenchi chikonyoro bokonyi osejibese kurwa serikali enene anekrate bino chi university osejikora nyita kire kobeke mirobiri yabene kwene kumna konyora bare chibese ikiranyara chiko bagendereria asobokorari wabo wakira litko.
I'm going to move around each and every university in Kenya because a number of our universities are faced with problems, particularly finance. You get them complaining about underfunding, and we are encouraging that they must generate their own revenue, because the exchequer, as it is now, is not going to be able to continue funding more, because in Kenya education takes 25.9%, so we have to find other ways of creating and generating revenue for universities.
Obosombi nigo bwaratenena asichindege jose abagendi chindega sensitu ya Kenya ekero bagenda somugiro onene kero bakomocho boteneri bwekiombe gya Kenya Airways korengana nabarabo ni wana bateruna mbaraikiraniwa amagania abayibanyarite bakobori gocha soboteneri obwo asabana bateruna mbachikogendera gokoromugiro yo oikamagania abo anyarire gawikiranwa.
Are painstaking issues that have been on the table far too long, and Kalpa family believes that the time is right to have them resolved once and for all. As Kalpa has repeatedly mentioned, we are amicable towards and remain committed to any genuine efforts aimed at resolving the current stalemate. To this end, we worked tirelessly throughout last night and shared our revised proposals with Kenya Airways management. Until now, we are yet to hear back from them. This once again demonstrates that it is Kenya Airways management's failure.
Gakoiraneria bono igoro yomogiro yumuwasiri bw'abasombi kipichumba murkomen nigobona mochiri abagendi abo bechindega nene kratebuna yetali ngaki abantu batakire kwendo mogiro ekyagerensi ya Kenya nigeyakire no mochando bwenjara boige serikali ya Kenya kwanza terebanga buyego kolengana nene gaterwa obisi.
Otherwise, my message is simple and clear. The strike was unwarranted. The concerns raised are valid. Downing tools, pilots stopping flying was not the decision to be made at this point in time, considering 2 things. One, the economic situation we are in and the challenges the company is facing and the turnaround strategy that has been put in place to save the company. Number two is because of also of the economic challenges facing our country, the drought and the issues of debt and all other things that we are doing. And particularly it's unfair for the pilots to try to test the new administration with a strike when we should be working together to support each other to make sure that the company itself is working.
Omokonyi bumurai bwense rigatiga shawani gobona buri abakenya bonsi gochamo na kubeka ensemo oboge siasa gose ensemeri ya siasa bagosira kaukwana sensemo ya Kajiado ekeraika senseme yiri kwena na endagera gocha senseme yo nigo rigatiaro kanaga komoji omuraiwe kyama gyodie mrera murodinga asate abuna osamo boli raira gotiga atige komoche serikali asemerobeli ya yebegete anena soko ruania gose kubwata bali baikarenti oboiti bwa Kenya au
tushikane, tusiangalie mtu alikuwa mlengo gani. Sisi zote ni viongozi, Kenya yetu isonge mbele. Tumesikizana watu ya Kajiado? Unajua sisi watu wa pale mlima tuliona mbele. Sisi tulichanuka zamani. Rais aliondoka, alijaribu kutupeleka kwa hii mzee, tukamwambia aende peke yake. Kwa sababu tulijua hiyo mzee alituletea hawezani na kazi ya Kenya. Na huyo mzee nimeona ameanza kupiga kelele ati ya kwamba Rais William Ruto amesema wale polisi waliua wa Kenya washikwe. Wewe mzee, kama unalalamika watu waliua wa Kenya ati wasikamatwe, haki ya wale ambaye jamii yao waliuawa itachungwa na nani?
Msali Mudavadi oyo Romo Prime Cabinet Secretary nigobona tebiruna emerobeneta kirikobe kwiriko kora umachando bumurakera oyogenderte waka Chinsemo awo imeyense ya Kenya hamo no mochando bwinchara oyo rekande buna no chikogendera gochesa matuko alibosio kako yakwana nera si county Machako sekero aire muroberio bo echindagera osibo kwana ndagera sensemeyo nigatebirune serikali anene ya Kenya kwanza nigendete kubike meroberio kwana kunango korere mochando yu
itakuja wanatuonyesha kwamba hali hii ya ukosefu wa mvua huenda ikaongezeka hadi paka labda mwezi wa Februari na kwenda zaidi. Kwa hivyo ni jukumu letu kama Wakenya na kama serikali kushirikiana haraka na kuweka mipango ambayo itatusaidia ili tupunguze ile shida ambayo itatokana na hali ya ukame. Na wenzetu wamenena kuhusu kujenga mabawa, kuhusu kuhakikisha kwamba kuna mbegu ambazo zitapeanwa ambazo zinaweza stahimili ile hali ya ukame, na pia tuwe na njia ya kuhakikisha kwamba logistics za kufikia watu wengi ziko sawa.
Omubunge Olikoni Mishimboko niga singire wateabuna serikali tarara guse serikali ya Kenya kwanza ya bikire miruberio yogokonya aba Kenya kaukwana sensemeli ya Kilifi gose county ya Kilifi Mboko niga wanateruna ya rekoba ne serikali ya Simiuro moja wa Kenya ya irete serikali goikabono na bokonya n'abantu babekire mubuko kiribusano nemo kiri umurai gwekyama gyodem alirete iraba Kenya kulende niga yarekana buna niga ndate komoche gose niga mochiri serikali ya Kenya kwanza.
Kitarajia mengi, najua saizi kina mama 6,000 zingekuwa zishaanza kuingia pesa pap kwenye mpesa. Lakini tunataka tuseme sisi bado hatujachoka, kwa sababu kila kitu ni mipango ya Mwenyezi Mungu. Na wakati mipango ya Mwenyezi Mungu imefanyika, sisi hatutalia ngoa, lakini bado tutasimama kidete na Wakenya, na tutasimama kidete kuzungumzia haki za Wakenya ziweze kufuatwa na ziweze kufanyika. Mheshimiwa Raila, Mungu amekupa nguvu, Mungu amekupa afya, na twazidi kukuombea.
nigo chia butoge jide Ikomi na isano ase Chinsa Ikomi chabana marogoba nanda buno ngo yabutorera mangana ito na twaya ligania gose na twaya sangiri kuruma ambia wekabone nyirana gikoragense yamo yabona marogoba ninjikwira na semese mangana mayeri ngo altanete ko sangiri kuru Chinsa jiga wika Chinsa jinandi ngo jukora mangana yinyora sense yamone nus yobotko bare njukwira wika somo ruberio bobosera bwenka asitrach kwenda kurirelia amangana ali agosalienka igokobwate kerengali kyao kiriuma etena ninki gosalienka na bakwenda gutuma guterase nambe ira seskini ayura wende tokonyorana gikoragense yamone nus kana koretera mangana maya tumaya gochankaralia na kurirelia